Here I've got Spiphone A10 Pro, and let me show you how to change a ringtone on the following device. So at first, let's open the settings, then find and select sound and notification, and here click on the settings icon right beside the general and pick phone ringtone. Here you can come along with all the ringtones. You've got plenty of them. Let me show you, for example, 3 of them. And let me pick, for example, this one. Click on OK to save it, and from now on, every time someone will be calling you, you will hear this picked ringtone. And that would be all. This is how you can change ringtone on your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.